Hi, I'm Lauren Taylor, Managing Director of Active Property Group. A question we get asked regularly is what the minimum investment period is for our pooled mortgage fund. This is most likely because a lot of funds similar to ours have lock-in periods where you need to remain invested for a minimum of 2, 3, or even 5 years. However, our pooled mortgage fund, PMAC Trust, doesn't have a minimum period that you are locked in for. If you're invested and want to withdraw your funds, then you can submit a redemption request form and we process these on a quarterly basis. An investor looking to redeem their units, either partially or fully, will need to submit a redemption request form at least 3 weeks prior to the end of the quarter to receive their redemptions at the end of that quarter. The reason we ask for as much notice as possible is because we need to make sure we will have the funds available at the end of the quarter to pay redemptions. As you'll probably understand, we can't just take the funds back off a borrower. We aim to have around 5% of our funds under management in cash so that we're able to pay out requested redemptions. However, we cannot guarantee that we'll always have the funds required, especially if we receive a large volume of redemption requests. We may need to raise the funds from other investors or wait until a loan is repaid and put aside the required funds. In the instance that we don't have the cash available to pay all requested redemptions, then we will pay out the redemptions on a pro rata basis. For example, if we have 5 investors that all request redemptions of $200,000 each, or $1 million in total redemptions, and we only have $500,000 in the bank at the time of processing redemptions, then we'll pay out 50% of the requested redemption to each investor at that point, and once we have raised the rest of the funds or had a loan repaid, we'll pay out the remaining amounts to each investor. While we can't guarantee that redemptions will be paid, generally we pay out redemptions about 2 weeks after the completion of the quarter, around the same time as distributions are paid, although we do have up to 30 days to pay out redemptions as per the information memorandum and product disclosure statement. At the time of recording this video in April 2023, we have always paid out requested redemptions within the required timeframe every quarter since the fund began. If you have any questions about any of the details of our pooled mortgage fund, then please get in touch at investorrelations@activepropertygroup.com.au. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.